cape, we've got this pearl.
Yep.
That is your how to find.
Right.
Because otherwise you just have a thread. But yeah, so the pearl with the thread on there, and then that just hooks up. And I'll move these safety pins now. They're just so you know where to find it. But underneath here is a hook.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, so there's an eye there.
Yeah, and so then this is a thread eye that goes over the hook.
Yep. Like so.
Yeah, like so.
Yep.
Okay. And then this is the linings attached to the main with this snap. So it's called floating snap, so it still has the movement, but we can unclip it just for the bustle. Undo that, and then underneath this, I just want to hold this lovely cape. We have a ribbon here and a ribbon there, and then there'll be a ribbon here to tie up and a ribbon there to tie up. So if you want to,
tie it up.
yeah, and so you just tie them in a bow, and then you can let go. Yeah, like that. And then you can just
Fluff it up.
yep. Then you can do a bit of a spin.
Oh,
No,
has
it's
a big trail on it.
Yeah.
Right.
It just looks like I got a big butt. Bigger butt. I like it.